Set the phone on the app, connect the phone to controller. This is forward, back, left, right. This is pitch right, pitch left. And then this is your height up and down. And on the top, this controls the camera on the gimbal. It faces it up and down. And then this one is zoom.
Did you catch all that? Hey, let's go fly a drone. As a first-time drone owner, I've had zero experience flying a drone. Although I mostly bought the Skydio 2 because it can fly itself while tracking me, I knew there would be times I wanted to be able to fly it manually to get a specific shot. Being a beginner, I didn't think I would have the confidence of flying a drone without crashing it into something. Even though I picked up on the controls fairly quickly, it's nice to know the Skydio has crash avoidance and is always avoiding objects that are in its way. It does this no matter what mode you're in and no matter which controller you are using. It automatically goes around things to prevent you from making a mistake. That's exactly the insurance I needed to pull the trigger on a drone. So I just wanted to share some video footage of my first couple flights flying the Skydio 2 with the controller. Keep in mind, I am a super noob to all this and I have no experience whatsoever. I mean, if I can do it, anyone can. So if you're new to drones like me and have a question, please feel free to drop it below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video of some pretty sweet views of Utah.